Welcome to Rincón de la Victoria, a town only 20 minutes away from Malaga, untouched by modern crazy developments and keeping its authentic Spanish charm.
In this video, we are heading to the other side of Malaga. In fact, it's the first town after Malaga. First, we will see what the beaches are like here, find out about the housing, explore hidden caves, and much more. Stay tuned to see one of the most breathtaking views of the Mediterranean in day and even better at night.
Hi, this is Aslan and Julian. If this is your first time on our channel, we are making an unmatched catalogue of Andalusia and Spain, exploring each town from a unique perspective. Tag along and you would know why we left London for Spain. There is no metro east of Malaga, so you either have to hire a car, taxi, or take a bus. We have just arrived at Rincón de la Victoria. Behind us is a city hall, and in front of us a beautiful promenade with a beach.
It is lunchtime right now, and we are starving. We don't know if we should eat in the town center or in the promenade, so we're gonna go and check them out.
If you're on a budget in Spain and want to have a sit-down meal without breaking your bank, with great locations and amazing food, look no further than 100 montaditos or 100 montaditos.
We ordered about 6 or 7 montaditos, plus also chips, plus chicken, plus drinks, and it came up to 14 euros. It's a bargain.
Yeah. I mean, €1 for a mini sandwich, you can't go wrong with that. I mean, what do you get for €1 these days?
We just finished lunch in 100 montaditos behind us, and we just came to the beach right opposite. We are at Rincón de la Victoria beach. The first thing you will see when you come to this beach is the cliffs. We are gonna go there in a second to see the beautiful views from there, so stay tuned. In terms of the beach itself, the color of the sun is slightly darker, you will see in Costa del Sol or in Costa del Sol, but still it's very thin and fine. And also the Mediterranean Sea, which is slightly warmer than the water in the Atlantic.
I like the layout of the town because back you have hills with the houses and beautiful views, and then you have the town itself on the flat surface, and after that you walk onto this beautiful promenade with amazing beach and Mediterranean Sea. I can imagine in the evenings everybody coming down from their apartments, having a stroll on this beautiful promenade. Rincón means corner, which means this town's name is Corner of Victoria. Behind me, I see a little corner with I think Virgin Mary in there, so that might be reference to it. And also I see a tunnel, which looks really tempting. So let's go and see these things. Come on.
This corner is dedicated to Virgin of Carmen, the protector of the sea. It's a very petite corner where you can come with a book, with a coffee, and enjoy amazing views of Rincón de la Victoria. Also, what I like about this corner is the sound of the sea. The waves crashing into the rocks is very soothing and calming.
Virgen del Carmen is an important figure in most of coastal towns in Spain. 16th of July is the big celebration day when fishermen and divers take the effigy of Virgin through the towns and into the water, escorted by their boats. It's a beautiful scene. If you're visiting Spain around mid-July, you must see. Have you been to a beachside town with such rich traditions? Let us know in the comments. Going through that beautiful tunnel, you get to a viewing point. But that's not it. You have to come further a little bit up to Torre del Cantal, which is this historic tower. Here, you not only have this tower, but you also are rewarded with amazing view of Rincón de la Victoria. For me, this has to be the best part of this town.
Being so close to Malaga means you have all the great things a city has to offer within your reach. And Malaga is no exception. It has been voted as the best city in the world for expats, has great vibe, amazing food scene, filled with historical sites and a booming tech scene. In fact, some people call it the Barcelona of the South. Watch our magical experience in Malaga, where we had an unexpected encounter with dolphins.
Next, we are making our way to one of 3 caves in Rincón. If you're gonna walk like we are walking down from the beach, be prepared. It's all the way uphill. And we're not doing well in this heat. It was supposed to be 25 degrees, which it is, but 25 degrees in Spain is different to 25 degrees in Northern Europe. I'm sweating at 5 p.m, completely drenched. That's good, Jan. We are inside the cave now. It's a lot cooler, so that's a relief now. We have been to quite a few caves actually. So we've been to the Gibraltar one with the amazing light show. We've been to the Nerja one. Ooh, look at this. It's like Indiana Jones. Also been to the beautiful Aracena one as well. So it has a lot to match up to. So far, I'm loving the entrance because it's like going through the little alleyway and then you are here. It is beautiful. It's different than the others, but it's gorgeous.
Wow, this is what I was looking for. This is the bit I saw online and I saw pictures of. It feels magical. I feel like in a fairy tale movie, like a magical movie. It reminds me a little bit of Aracena, and to be honest, right now I will jump right in because after going up the hills, I'm so hot. We didn't really know there were caves in Rincón de la Victoria, so we decided to check them out. It's only €4 something per person, and let me tell you something, it's very worth it. We've been to other caves, like Arslan said, the one in Gibraltar, the one in Nerja. They are a lot bigger. This one is on a smaller size, but in my opinion, I actually enjoyed it because you don't spend hours and hours. You can do it in about half an hour to an hour, depending on how many pictures you take. But it's actually very cool inside. There are little corners in there. You see a lot of formations, and my favorite part was the lake. I really felt like it was in a spa in there.
After the caves, we were very thirsty. We decided to walk opposite to this beautiful restaurant, La Calisa. We walked into the restaurant, went straight to the terrace bar, and oh my God, the views were stunning. You could see the whole town underneath you. If you are somebody who wants to integrate fully into Spanish society, Rincón de la Victoria is a great choice. Only 20 minutes from Malaga with amazing walk, beautiful beach and great restaurants. This is a no-brainer.
Behind me you have Little Princess Mirador with amazing views of the Mediterranean Sea, but also you have this long walkway which is an ideal path for you to come with your loved one to enjoy a beautiful sunset. And if you are into sports, you can come here running, jogging, and you will never regret it because the views are fantastic. Don't go anywhere as it is full moon tonight and we will return here to see the night view. We've come back to Paseo Marítimo and it's 8 p.m. right now. It has cooled down and lots of people have come out of their apartments to enjoy beautiful walks with their friends and family. In Spain, it's very common to come to the Paseo Marítimo to enjoy a lovely walk during the sunset time. Many people come jogging, they walk their dogs, or simply just enjoy a beautiful walk with their loved ones. Also, there are lots of restaurants and bars, and if you're coming along the promenade, you might decide to sit down, have a drink, or even have dinner with your friends.
If you're enjoying Rincón with us, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button.
This is Avenida del Mediterráneo and it's parallel to the promenade and the beach. Similar to the promenade, it's full with restaurants, shops and bars. Also, people come here when it cools down to enjoy a coffee, to enjoy some cakes and do some shopping just before the shops close around 9-10 p.m.
Since 1990, Rincón's population has exploded from mere 11,000 to 50,000 today. With Malaga so close, it's only a matter of time when Rincón is connected with a metro line and its destiny will be changed forever.
When we were here earlier, we knew we had to come back to record the night view with the full moon. And oh my God, we were so right. Look at the view, the full moon projecting into the sea, all the lights from the town lit up. It's just fantastic. And it's also very soothing because you can hear the waves. It's a very nice breeze up here. It's just lovely. If we were to recommend our friends to come and explore more of Costa del Sol, we will put Rincón de la Victoria high on the list because it doesn't have that high vibe of tourism and it also have a more Spanish charm to it. We hope you enjoy Rincón de la Victoria and stay tuned from our next week's video from another amazing location in Spain. Hasta luego!